niya, etc. na. Okay, Excel don, Vidor. Kasi ka kaupat ani nila. 1, 2, 3. Si Lolong. Edmer Lolong. Okay. So, then, sa ubos, you have the affiliation. So, since you are affiliated with Bohol Island State University, sa mga return the Bohol Island State University main campus. So, author name must not be in 11 points, no? Ang young font, bold and center. Affiliation must be in 10 points, italic, no? And then, email address, no? If inyong after nasa ubos na ning affiliation, tanga na po yung ani o kana email. No, so author details must not show any professional title. So the superscript A is not required when all authors are from the same institution. Let's say for example, if naay from other institution, so mo nimbutangan yung laingan. So A, Bohol State University, for B, nga na kanang tawag na for University of Bohol, for example. Then we will proceed with abstract. So naka-center ni siya. I will give you the kuan ni ka ng word file. Naka-center. Then you have the abstract, no? So a research abstract is a brief summary of a research paper or article, and it serves to give readers a quick overview of the research study. So the abstract should clearly state the purpose of the research, including the problem or question being addressed, the research objectives or research questions. It should briefly describe the research methods used, including the study design, the data collection and analysis methods, and any limitations to the study. So it should summarize the key findings of the research, including any statistical results or significant differences. No? So the abstract should conclude a statement about the significant research and its implications for future research or practice. So most research abstracts are between 150 to 250 words and should be concise and clear and should follow the IMRAD nga format. So katong di-mention niya ganiha gano. Have the introduction, methodology, research, and discussion nga format. Avoid jargons or technical terms. Then right after, no, abstract must be in 10 points and naka-justify ang iyang alignment. Nga na diri, naka-align left and right. Then you have the keywords, no? And these keywords will be used for indexing your paper. So they are the label of your manuscript. So avoid words with broad meaning and words with short meaning. So words already included in the title. So, for example, milling machine. Unsa galing to? Crushing. I forgot the title sa murag nga na. So, since naa naman ang glass nga word sa inyong nga title, do not put it in the keywords, no? As one of the keywords, no? So, you look yung nga unique. So, say for example, unsa may naad to, unsa may lain na to sa inyong pwede i-keyword. So, kuan ba siya? Solar ba siya? Nga kanang wala sa inyong title. Then, there shall be three to five keywords only. This is not abstract. Kung ano siya, keyword format. Okay. Keyword format should be in 10 points, italicize and justify ang alignment for the keywords. So, ang keywords nga word is naka-bold. Okay, ang keywords nga word is naka-bold. Pero ang katong mga specific nga keywords na dapat naka-italicize. Okay? Na 10 points. Then, we'll proceed nito sa introduction. No? So again, ang ato ang journal is naka-imread gapon na format. Introduction, methodology, research, and discussion. No? So, sa inyong introduction section, as much as possible, ayaw ninyo i-copy-paste ha. Kung unsa bitay na sa inyong manuscript, ninyo siyang i-copy-paste ani. Inyo siyang i-summarize, inyo siyang kanang compress, yung so it should kaya di man siya full paper, journal naman siya, journal type. Okay? So provide a rationale for the study and outline the research objectives. No, so these are the guidelines. So the instruction should provide a background to the research topic and why it is important. No, it should highlight existing research in the field and identify any gaps or limitations. Then you write the research problem or your research question, no, or the problem statement. Then significance of the study. Again, ayaw nyo i-copy-paste to, kaya arang daghan na to. Kana lang ka nang naka-summarize. Then the objectives. Kini siya research problem or question. This is the problem statement. This is your objective, scope, and limitations. And you summarize the kanang literature. Your chapter 2, di ba? Na ato'y mga katong literature nga gamit kaayo, relevant kayo sa pag-conduct niya sa iyong study. Okay? So nga na. Then, we have the methodology. No, the outlines, the methods and procedures used to conduct the study. No, it should be detailed enough. No, mentioning it should be detailed enough to allow others to replicate the study and assess the validity of the findings. So you have the research design. No, uh, what are your data collection methods? What did you use? No, to analyze those data nga inyong na collect. Then you have the limitations, replication, and clarity and precision. Again, it should be written clearly and precisely, using technical terms only when necessary and avoiding ambiguity. So, katong kuha na the researchers kanang weighed 5 kilograms if you used 5 kilograms. Yan na. So, mao na sa kamao na mo. Ang inyong na lang is kato nang kamao na mo sa iyong methodology. Ang inyong na lang is how to summarize your chapter 3. Then we have the results and discussion, no? So here you will present your results and you will discuss. Kay discussion man siya, no? So present the findings. You interpret the findings, no? Uh, explain what the results mean and how they relate back to the research question. Again, ang pagkasunod niya sa pag-present ninyo is will be based on your objectives. Then, the discussion section should relate the findings to existing research in the field, highlighting any similarities or differences with previous studies. No? So, for example, ang inyong nga research is, say for example, plastic sand. Uh, plastic sand bricks maker. Na ba yung nag-plastic sand? Doon nakalimut mo ko. Plastic sand bricks maker. No? But, your kanang raw nga plastic is melted, gimix gid siya, whereas ang existing is kanang kuan, ang existing is kanang shredded, no? Is are there any difference sa iyahang strength, no? Sa iyahang kuan, kanang kalig-unon, no? So you will present that one in the results and discussion, no? So in the case of tables, no, inyo siyang i-present diri. Magbutang mong table, mangita mo paagi or mas maayo if naka-graph na siya kay para dali same na gyapon sa gibuhat nato class nga kanang tawag ani kanang ang figure is nasa ubos. Figure 2 shows blah blah blah. Ingana. Okay, kamao na mo ana. No? It should be written in a clear and concise manner. Then after the uh, results and discussion, you have the conclusion. No, so the conclusion section of the research paper is where the author summarizes the main findings in the study and makes recommendations for future research or practice. So it should be written in a clear and concise manner and should tie together the key themes and findings of the paper. So you have here the kung anong guidelines. Should summarize the main findings. No, should address the research question and objectives. No, should acknowledge any limitation of the study and explain how they might impact the interpretation of the findings, and avoid introducing new information. So the conclusion should not introduce any new information or ideas that were not already discussed in the paper. Kaya paskud pa ending naman mo dili man ni siya kanang telenovela nga naipahanging, no. So then after the conclusion, you have the references. Okay. So cite all the scientific publications on which your work is based. Avoid excessive self citations and excessive citations publications from the same region. No? Minimize personal communications that include unpublished observations. And the reference and citation should conform strictly to APA format. So I think that's it for the format sa ato ang kuan journal sa ato na department. Although kuan pa rin siya, rough pa rin siya nga design. Nara na sa inipa-layout na lang na ako pohon. Ug unsay format. I'm looking at other formats nga say for example ngani say ngani makita man siguro no nag-change ko no ani ba magpa-layout ko ingani nga naa diri no na diri murag heading nato then nga na siya tapos here naa siya kanang kuan sa ubos kanang tawag na pages ari day ari lang sir kung magbutang og page depende na lang ni na. So for the tables you may present it like this or ingana so then references okay any question any pangutana close any question class wala very good okay so if you have no more questions then I think we can end our class for this morning. Kini siya class, wala pa gid ako nihatag sa inyo ha gid tanan nasa tong katbitan ningon ko nga matag ko sa industrial design kay wala pa man pud mo nahuman kay naa pa man mo yung mga I think ipang finalize sa iyo ang design no pag Sunday pagaling ko no was it yesterday po kita sa ilahang kisa to ilahang ila saludo no so maybe today ma-post na nila ko kay para mahinay-hinayan for those groups nga humanan nga wala na ila trabaho. But yeah, I think that's it, no? May request na lang everyone to turn on your camera for documentation only. Nay, nangutana, nay, mangutana, wala, wala din. Kadali lang ha. Kumusta naman inyong mga hardbound? Wala pa may niabot na ko aning hardbound. Isa pa man, ila pa man tong kasilak. Basta nalata na na yung hardbound diha kay wa nyo masubmit na ko. At sa, ayaw sa John. Ayaw sa i-close. Perma na ni ma'am. Okay. Right after magpakuha na. Okay, kadali ha. How to... One, two, three. Okay, so I think that's it for this morning. Thank you and see you on. Another thing di ay wa pa. Agoy ginoo ko. I almost forgot. On April 17 to 21 class, April 17 to 21, you will be having your kanang tawag ani kanang webinar. Okay? Webinar on IP. Kadali ha. Ako sa tanawon to. Hmm, kadali lang yun. Okay? Okay, so for um April 17 to 21, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, madungog pa man ko no, mas gyapon ko youth. You will be having your patent webinar and workshop for the whole week, no? So kanang 17, 18, and 19 for the half day na no na siya. Pero 3 days. Kaya nga naman, um, kanang mag-discuss na ining morning, okay? Mag-discuss na ining morning sa 17, 18, 19 Unya, ining ka afternoon, pwede mo klase na may group sad. Okay, di ba na siya individual. Okay? So 17, 18, 19, half day na siya morning. So, mag-webinar mo ana 17, 18, 19. And this is a workshop ha. So, kung nagaling assignment, nagaling pa buhat-buhaton gid ninyo. Kaya nga naman, pangayoon na siya ining kaugma. So, kanang for example, assignment ini ka 17, pangayoon na siya ining ka 18. Okay? So, 17, 18, 19, half day morning. Tapos, on Thursday, ah, kanang dili mo mag-meet kay ipa-prepare tanan yung documents mo rag i-consolidate na kanang kumpletuhon na tanan yung mga documents ninyo kay by 21 no Friday, that is the presentation of your kanang outputs. So face to face na siya. Or if I'm not mistaken, adto na siya sa ah, boardroom sa medicine. Nakuha ra class. Nakuha ra yung activity for 17. Kuha na ra ba na? I think next week, no? Next week, 17, 18, 19, half day. So, kanang mangayo ko sa kanang mga schedule nga maligsan ninyo ani. 17, 18, 19 morning. Tapos 20, ano naman na kanang mura og inyo ha siyang i-finalize. And then on 21, maisad ko sa schedule kay mananghitaan na sa inyong mga instructor 17, 18, 19, 20. Nakuha ang ato ang 17 to 21. Then on 20, mo di ba? 24 and 25, you will be having a seminar on kuan kana katong with New Nexus Philippines. So I will find I have yet to finalize the schedule for 24 to 25. But mo na initial nga nasabutan na mo. So kanang 24 to 25, that is a kanang face to face na siya nga discussion. So I've already talked to Joshua about it no kay gapapangita ko venue kung asa. Kay ang ana dito sila sa JG's. Okay? So 2 days na siya, 2 whole days. So si 24 o si 25. Maybe within this week ma-finalize na to ang 24 and 25 ug asa gid siya. Okay? Nakuha ra?
Okay.
Okay, sige. Any more questions? I think mauna man na siya class ka na sa 24, 25. Naana lang na siya to follow mga by May na pohon or kung ano na siya for teaching. So anyways, mag-meet pa man ta if I'm not mistaken on Friday. So mag-discuss ta kung unsay buhaton na to for 24 to 25. Naman na siya dapat ka na mga prior discussions. Okay ra? Nakuha na? No more questions man no? Naman naman ko og print screen. So, ngiting tagumpay na kay silang saludo for April 11. Okay, so I think that's it, no? Thank you and bye, class.
Thank you,
Sai
ma'am.
na, kay question, Sai?
About sa defense, ma'am.
Yes, Sai. Kanus
Ah,
aman mo pwede?
katong nakig-coordinate na ko sa mga grupo, ma'am, niya. Okay, kuan daw kanang ilahang preferred nga week kay sa last among preferred nga week kay last week sa April.
Tanan na na.
Oh,
Sila Villa, okay naman sila Villa. Silang kuan, silang
katong
maka-appeal
di ba
siya.
sila pag sa daw di ba, ma'am?
Unsa to, Sai?
Silang Julian, silang Shemra, di ba tong lahi daw. Ingon sila May daw sila first week.
Silang Shem.
Yeah, pero yan ako nga wala lang kay na mo gi-consider kay
Mm.
basig
Oh, pero I mean kuan kanang, 'di ba? Kana sila for today, so okay na.
Wala pa okay ba ma'am pero ning ko naman ko unsa ilang preferred time nga preferred schedule for defense. Nangutan na ako net na mo.
Ah, sige, sige. Kuha na lang ka ng dala siguro na to. Ilang bilya, ilang humawid, pero mag-testing na ko nun sa, pero dyan abot papel na ko. Okay, ilang humawid, inyo ha, kanang ilahang agresor, ilahang bertudaso. Nabo ko nakalimutan. Mara man siguro.
Ah, upat to ma'am no?
Yeah,
Oh. Ikalima silang ano balagot.
yeah. Usahon na lang na to, ang kanang ilahang kuan, ilahang, tawag ani, ilahang,
Balagot ma'am.
dili, no, 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 no. Kanang sila Bertudazo. Di pa makaani mo pangutanan sila Bertudazo.
Wala pa ma'am.
Ah, sige.
Hindi.
Kuha na lang, preferred nyo is last week.
Oh.
Around ani, 24, 25 na aman mo ani no? Mga 26 or 27, 28, ana.
Mga 20. Ang kapan sa 27 og isa to ma'am sa Thursday o Friday kay itong ME week nga proposed nga ME week ma'am ng activities.
Kuha na lang tasay. Og, og naamo ani, og naamo ani 27,
Okay.
28. Ari na lang tag first week sa May.
Ah, sige ma'am. Okay ra
Kay,
po ma'am.
kay para ME week man, adto na lang po ninyo i-present ng inyong mga ginama. Kay para adto na lang po na to ang testing.
Pwede ra ma'am. Ako ang
No?
ingon nila ma'am.
Yes. Ingana na lang. Adto na lang same sa gibuhat nila pag um exhibit, no? Adto na lang sad mo. Isabay na lang
Okay
ninyo
ma'am.
kay para one holiday man ang one. So Tuesday pohon week after kanang Tuesday after ana. That is our kuan kanang defense. Yeah, pwede naman na half day kay four groups naman mo.
Oo ma'am.
Oh, sige. Okay, so I
Thank you
think
ma'am.
that's it, no? Wala na any other concern? Wala naman siguro. Okay, sige. Amping mo kapunay. Bye.
Thank you ma'am.